In today's fast-paced world, most businesses are looking for the fastest and easiest way to manage their business. They want all of their data kept in one easily accessible place that is convenient for them to add data to, change data from, and to print out needed data quickly. It is also important for them to have some of this time data easily accessible to employees or subcontractors when necessary. This is why QuickBooks timesheets are often the perfect answer for businesses to manage their time and expenses online. By using online timesheets like those produced through the QuickBooks applications, businesses, vendors, and employees are able to enjoy the ease of accessing whatever data they need at any time and virtually every place. These online timesheets are accessible by using PCs, Macs, or most other remote devices from any internet accessible location. This saves valuable time previously spent on looking up the necessary data in hard copy files in the office, and time spent on the telephone over these inquiries as well. At the touch of your fingertips, you can get the data you need and send it where it needs to go. This is a phenomenal time saver for all of the people concerned. Another great savings your business might obtain from using QuickBooks timesheets online is the savings of physical space in your office. Paper copies of timesheets, expense reports, necessary charts or graphs that might be used for presentation, and copies of correspondence pertaining to timesheets or expense reports all take up a great deal of space in your office and your file system. All of this paperwork ends up getting handled numerous times and needs to be sorted, filed, transported, and placed in the handiest location. A great deal of space may be saved from using an online timesheet application like QuickBooks instead of the conventional way of tracking and storing the documentation for time and expenses. It might greatly benefit your business to spend a little time online and research QuickBooks timesheets. A small amount of time invested in learning more about the QuickBooks timesheets online might be a time well spent. When you find out that the ease and accessibility of using this type of time and expense tracking is well worth the very favorable cost involved, more and more businesses are taking the plunge into QuickBooks timesheets online and being glad they did. Why not yours?